Welcome to the HUAWEI channel. Today I will show you how to set a custom ringtone on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first open settings through the shortcut here, or if you don't have the shortcut, scroll down to open settings through this little button. In settings, open the sounds and vibration section right here. Scroll down to the phone ringtone. Click on the phone ringtone, and in here click on music and device to set a custom ringtone from a file you've already downloaded. In here select your audio file. It will play, so you can make sure that you selected the right file. Click on this arrow, and now you've selected a custom ringtone. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the HUAWEI channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.